So the karma's loading. And yep, there we go. Now there's the start button. There's the video ready to go. Hit the start button. And it says restricted flight zone.
Ready to fly.
Okay, let's fly. How about start?
3, 2, 1.
Karma cannot. Unable to take off. Okay, that's what it says. You see that? There's the karma. It's ready to rock. There's most of the message. Looks like it's ready.
3, 3, 2, 1.
Unable. Don't go anywhere. So there you go. That's my replacement for my other bad karma. This is this is turning into a real problem. Taking way too much time. And try it again.
3, 2, 1.
Hope you can. Let's see if you can get that to focus. Alright, unable to take off. Okay, it sits. Not doing any. Ready to go. Camera's ready. Lights are on.